Hi everyone. Welcome back to our SQL training series. In this video, we're going to solve a classic and practical problem: how to calculate the average salary of each department using SQL. We're working with two tables, employees and departments. Employees table with columns: employee ID, name, salary, department ID. Departments table with columns: department ID, department. The employees table stores salary and department information for each employee. The departments table maps each department ID to its name. Our task is to calculate the average salary for each department and return the results in descending order of average salary. Let's look at the sample tables. Based on the sample data, we can manually compute the average salaries for each department. For example, the IT department has 5 employees and the accounting department has 2. From that, we calculate the expected average salaries as follows. Now let's write a SQL query in SQL Server Management Studio to get this result automatically. We join the employees table with the departments table using department ID. Next, we group the records by department. Then we use the AVG function to calculate the average salary. Finally, we round the result and sort it in descending order. Execute the query and we can see the administration department has the highest average salary, followed by accounting department. The supply chain department has the lowest average salary. Now let's explore an alternative solution using window functions, specifically partition by clause. Partition by allows us to calculate the average salary across each department without grouping the data. We use distinct to ensure only one row per department appears in the final result. Both methods produce the same result. However, group by is typically more straightforward when you're doing basic aggregation. On the other hand, partition by provides greater flexibility when you want to preserve individual rows while still computing aggregates. To recap, we used inner join to combine data from two tables, the AVG function to compute average salary, group by for grouping departments, and partition by as a window function for advanced aggregation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.